What is it?
What is that? What is this? What is this? Can you tell them what it is? Can you say Gumball machine? Do you want to open it? I'll help you open it. Looks like we're going to have to open the box. You excited? Yeah. She's been waiting for this Gumball forever. This Gumball machine. My face is crooked. Gumballs!
Gumball machine.
And time for this. Open. I love this. And I'm sure Brooklyn will love it too.
Hold on and you can put them in. Mm-hmm.
Wait a second. Wait, let me take this off.
You gotta take that thing somehow out. Do you want to read it?
It says to pop it, the top off. I already read it, but I can't get the top to pop off. Okay. It says turn whatever to fill. Open and remove the cover of the balloon. This, the whole top.
I guess.
Mommy. Mommy.
Hold on, yeah. Are those gumballs?
Duh, you're not supposed to twist it, you're just supposed to pop it off. Okay, I think you're supposed to take this off to get this.
Mommy.
Yeah. Are those gumballs? Are you going to put them in?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Look, she's getting that out for you. Look, and then you can pour them in.
I am fantastically
Mommy.
Hold on. Okay, let's cut the top. Let's cut this open.
Ready?
You've never seen me unmasked.
Ready, Brooklyn?
No, let her do it.
Pour them in.
Go ahead. You got to pour them in. Oh.
Or just do it one at a time.
Or just do it one at a time.
Can I do one?
Look at Mommy, Brooklyn.
Have some more?
And then we got a refill. Gumball refill, but we don't need it right now.
Oh, and we also got this Tootsie Pop.
Ooh.
Hurry up and put more. Put them out on the ground so we can do it better.
Go ahead, Brooklyn.
Wow, is that it?
Yeah, now twist.
Okay, awesome.
Ready? Twist the knob.
Wait, Ariel.
Twist the knob. Keep twisting. Yay! Eat the gumball.
Did she eat it?
Yeah.
It's my turn.
Let me see, Brooklyn.
Yay!
Ooh, can I have the gumball now?
It's my turn.
All right,
My
Jules,
turn.
let Julia twist it, honey. Let her have what's her turn.
Go ahead, you can twist it. But I get the gumball.
You can give Sissy the gumball, okay?
Oh, they're all blue.
Now give it to Julia.
Mm.
Okay, now take a break on it. You gotta sit it up, honey.
We all got blueberry.
Yay! Thank you.
Mm. Mm-mm.
white one.
Pineapple.
She just said white one.
See?
Here, you can put it back in the top.
Guys, that's pineapple, and that's blueberry. Those are all the flavors.
Can I see it?
Mm-hmm.
She doesn't really like the gumball. She just likes to spin it.
Put them back in.
That's a cherry one.
Here.
The red one is a cherry
No,
one.
you just have to go like this.
And the blue is blueberry. The orange is orange, obviously.
Where'd the white one go?
The cherry
just ate
is
it.
Oh.
cherry. And the red one is cherry. And the pink one is strawberry. The yellow one's banana, which I am all dressed in yellow because I am an emoji.
Go watch the
And
next
then
video.
green is, of course, lemon lime. She got banana. She got banana. And then, what's it called? Purple is grape. And, of course, white is obviously pineapple.
Are you going to open them?
So,
Yeah.
I will.
Okay, Brooklyn's going to. We don't need to fight. It's foolish.
I like to share. I'll take the big wrapper.
No. We're going to put them back in.
Woo.
Good job. Good job. That's good. There you go.
Got it, finally. So as you can see, this is a brown one, but that doesn't really matter because, come on, take it off. Take it off, help me. Rip it off! There are Tootsie Pops inside.
I want to open it.
I want the brown one. Well, there are a lot of brown ones. After
There's
all, this was
tape.
brown too.
Mhm.
There's probably
There's
more
tape.
brown than anything. Yay! She got an orange gumball. And another orange gumball.
It might take a while because the tape is, you know.
I want brown. I call brown. This is the brown one. Of course, as you already saw. She got a lime one.
Brooklyn,
She got
pick
a
one.
lime.
Very
She got
cool.
lime.
Brooklyn, pick
I
one.
think she wants to do her gumball machine right now.
Ooh,
No, she picked the blue one.
This is what the brown color looks like.
Brown,
And then
right?
there's even
There
more
were,
brown
hey, there were
inside.
1,
For
2,
the
3,
Tootsie
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, pick one. You can have the cherry one. I'll open it for you.
If you guys are wondering, I'm an emoji.
Here you go. If you guys go and watch our next YouTube video, then that'll explain it.
Brooklyn, can you say bye, guys?
I can lick through my teeth.
Brooklyn, can you say bye, guys?
Bye, guys.
Brooklyn, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Wave to mommy. Wave to mommy. Brooklyn.
Bye, guys.
Hola.
Hey.